soda. Remy boys that go fast money don't slow. No one can control.
People who are watching this, it's me, Darcy, and I'm going to continue this whole night freaking dungeon. I don't even know what it's called anymore. Die. Die. Oh no. Die. Okay. Statue of Paladin. No. I accidentally bought it. No. Boom. Boom. Die. Boom. The shotgun is very easy to frickin' use. What is chest? No. I don't need that salt right here. Boom, die. 2 people dead just by rushing at him with a freaking shotgun. Die, 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 die. For the love of God, please die. Boom. Die. There we go. To the next room. There, but don't. Boom, die. The pain! Help me! No! No! I died. Yeah, sure. Boom. Die. Okay. I died by poison. You know what? Sure. Need a melee weapon. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh. Oh, okay, that was kind of hard to freaking fight in this very small room with very small corridors. Death to all! Wait, I forgot to check the exclamation point. Yeah, sure, why not? Oh, it regenerates health. To the next one. Increase accuracy and critical hit chance. I'll pick this. Right, it's the alchemist. Thank you. Well, it's an SMG, but I don't have another spot for it. Okay, there we go. Thank you. It's a twin barrel shotgun in the Weber. And I'll pass. Oh no, I'm burning. Regenerate. Ooh, I almost died. Give me the experience. All items. Okay. Oh my god. One of my favorite weapons. Comes from a freaking vending machine. Alright, that's okay. But still, how the hell did I get this with the chances? Boom. Boom. Alright, there's a non-law-abiding citizen on the other side. Crap, ow, ow. Yes, a health pot. Yeah, sure. There's another room here. Then I'll fight the boss. Oh no. Another health pot. I'll just drink that later. And also a chest. A bubble gun. No. Yes. Alright, how about this laser shotgun? Energy collector. Ooh, okay. Ah, the pain. Oh no, it's one of these guys. Ooh, let's go. Oh no. Ooh, die, die. Ooh, die. No, I died. Oh my lord. Okay. I'll just skip there. Wait, there's a package. Okay. Please give me something good. You haven't given me anything good. But I remember you giving me something good. Jumper. Haven't seen this before. Bonk. Bonk. Wait, 10 damage? I think two-shot people. Well, I think. Oh my lord. Oh, why do I keep getting the freaking watering can and the shovel? Boom. Ow. Okay, there we go. Die, bitch. Ooh, oh no. Die, die, die. A plunger. Oh, okay, I like the slingshot more. Ooh. What if I upgrade the slingshot? A frostbow? What? Ooh, ooh. Break. Die, please. There's a boss rush. Oh. Boom. Just spam. Okay, there we go. Okay, what's in the bouncing railgun? Yeah, sure. It's basically the jumper, but more damage. Boom. Now I know the jumper is just basically the press cousin of the bouncing railgun. Yes, yes, definitely need that. Because I have a freaking crossbow. Not a crossbow, a frostbow. Alright. There was a little pause. Well, I edited that. I definitely edited that out. Die, die. Boom. Okay, there we go. Bah. Freaking one shot everyone. Boom. Crap. Boom. Boom. Crap. There we go. Wait, the exclamation point. Statue of Aladdin, sure. I have a lot of money. A lot of coins. A double-edged sword. Sure. Need to save some energy. Something good. No, that isn't good. spear is basically just a worse bow, but you can use it for melee. Die! No! Energy pot, sure. That was the only time. Yeah, sure. That was like the only time energy pot is actually useful. Oh, ow, 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 oh no. Help me. Oh, I have 1 health. Please do not kill me. Oh. Yes, a health pot. Give me this. Ooh, a pirate saber. Sure. Oh, I just wasted money. Actually, sure, why not this one? The fire's like more faster. This one. Boom, boom. Die. Oh no, I can't aim. Die, 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 die. Why? What? What? I heard something die, but it didn't die. So, what was the thing that died? Groundwater. Wait, I am very confused. Why is it so expensive? Okay, die. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Die, 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 die. What's inside here? Nothing, just energy and some coins. Die, 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 die. How aren't you dying? Okay, there we go. Boom, boom, die. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Oh no. Okay, there's a chest. Ooh, a sidewinder red. Crap. Good thing I have this crossbow. Yes, a shotgun, finally. Take the pill. Do I take the pill? Or do I take the pill? Or do I take the pill? You pick the red pill. Nothing happens. When you pick the red pill, nothing happens. When you pick a red pill, nothing happens. When you pick a red pill, nothing happens. Then when you use this red pill, you basically nothing happens. The shotgun is OP. As you can tell, it was sarcasm. Right, die. Alright. I am back. There's a boss. Wait, is this the big statue? Yep, it was the big statue. Prehistoric Colossus. Ooh, die. Ooh, boom, 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 boom. Crap. No. Why do I keep hitting the freaking statues? Whew. Whew. Oh no, ow, 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 help me. Rockets. Oh no. Die. Ah! Okay. Oh, his health is very low. Ow. Oh, finally. I was about to die. A rocket gun. Ooh, okay. Splendid shrine. Okay. Portal. Vampire is a very good skill. Alright. As you can see, I am at like 10% like battery. So I'm gonna end the video here. Maybe we're gonna continue on Saturday. When Saturday arrives, maybe I may not even post on Saturday. Maybe I don't even post on that day. I don't even know what to say in this outro. So I'm just gonna say bye. Goodbye.